Well, hello, friends, and welcome to our patio. It's Vanessa from Tom and Vanessa's Country, and today we're going to unbox our brand new Breeo X24 stainless steel smokeless fire pit. So as Tom opens the box, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Breeo. So we opted for the stainless steel smokeless fire pit with the sear plate. So that extra wide ring around the top of the fire pit is the sear plate, and you can actually sear food right on that plate. We also got the outpost and the optional grilling accessories, so we'll be able to grill right over our fire pit as well. It comes fully assembled, so really all you need to do is just open the box and unwrap it, and you'll be ready to start a bonfire in no time flat. Looks like Tom could have used a hand there in taking that styrofoam off the bottom. So anyways, it is not a smoke-free fire pit. It's a smokeless fire pit, something to keep in mind. When you build your bonfire in the smokeless pit, initially there is going to be some smoke, and as the temperature rises and the flames start building, the air is going to circulate inside of the fire pit, and the smoke is actually going to get reabsorbed inside of the fire pit. And you'll notice then that there's considerably less smoke than a traditional fire pit. So just as soon as Tom gets those last few things out of the inside of the fire pit, we are going to build a bonfire. A little bit of smoke. It's been almost 15 minutes.